If you're considering BlackHawk VPN, there are 12 important things you should know before buying. Let's dive in and see how it stacks up against the competition. First off, BlackHawk VPN promises fast speeds, but it's important to know that while it holds up well in general, speeds can vary depending on the server location. If you're looking for consistency, you might find some better options out there. In comparison to competitors like ExpressVPN, which is known for lightning-fast connections, BlackHawk doesn't quite match up in terms of consistency. Next thing, their privacy policy is a bit of a mixed bag. BlackHawk claims to have a no-logs policy, but they do collect some metadata, like bandwidth usage and connection times. This is standard for many VPNs, but if you're after absolute anonymity, you might want to explore services like NordVPN, which has a stronger reputation in this area. The third thing to note is BlackHawk VPN's pricing structure. While it's on the affordable side, with some enticing discounts, it lacks the same range of payment options you'll find with some competitors, which could be a deal breaker for those looking for flexibility. Now, the fourth thing is device compatibility. BlackHawk works on all major platforms, but it doesn't have the extensive range of device support that some bigger names like CyberGhost provide. For example, if you're someone who likes to use VPN on a gaming console, you might face some limitations. Moving on to the fifth thing, the user interface. BlackHawk VPN is clean and easy to use, especially for beginners. However, if you're someone who prefers a more detailed and customizable interface, options like ExpressVPN may be better for you. The sixth thing to consider is customer support. BlackHawk does offer 24/7 live chat, but response times can be slower than industry leaders like Surfshark. While they're generally helpful, if immediate support is a top priority, you might want to think about alternatives. The seventh thing is their server network. BlackHawk VPN operates in a number of countries, but not as many as top competitors like NordVPN or CyberGhost, which provide a more expansive server list. If server availability is a deal breaker for you, this might be something to consider. The eighth thing is security features. BlackHawk uses AES 256 encryption and a kill switch, which is pretty standard for VPNs. However, they don't have extra features like multi-hop or obfuscation, which can be found in higher tier services like Proton VPN, giving them an edge in terms of advanced privacy. The ninth thing is streaming. BlackHawk VPN works with popular platforms like Netflix, but it's a hit or miss with some regional content. If streaming access is a top priority, a competitor like ExpressVPN is known for being more reliable with unblocking geo-restricted content. The 10th thing is BlackHawk's logging policy. While they state they don't store sensitive information, they do collect data about your device and connection. If you're particularly privacy conscious, other VPNs that have more stringent policies, like Mulvad, might be worth looking into. The 11th thing is performance during high load situations. BlackHawk VPN does fairly well under normal conditions, but it can slow down significantly during peak usage. Competitors like PIA, Private Internet Access, offer more stable connections in such cases. The final thing to mention is the trial period. BlackHawk VPN offers a 7-day free trial, which is great for testing. However, if you're looking for a longer trial or a money-back guarantee with no questions asked, NordVPN offers a 30-day refund policy with more flexibility. To wrap it up, BlackHawk VPN can be a good choice depending on your needs, especially if you're looking for an affordable, easy-to-use option. But if you want better performance, more server options, or stronger privacy features, we recommend checking out our top pick, which you can try for free.